Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of SDBiosensor standard G6PD test kit. You can see this is a 25 test kit pack. You can see the catalog number. This is how the box looks like. You can see in each box you get 25 test devices, 25 extraction buffer, 50 standard easy tubes, code chip 1 and a IFE brochure. This is the IVD certified product, and you can see this can be stored in a room temperature, and 25 test kit pack. I can just show you around the box. Manufactured in Korea. You can see standard expiry duration. There are almost 18 months of duration for each kit. See the details here. Cat number, lot number is there. I'm going to open this for you. See this here. Here's an IFE brochure. You can see it's standard G6PD test. You can see here G6PD glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency is one of the most common enzymopathological disease, described as a widespread heritable X chromosome linked abnormality. You can see this here. Standard G6PD test. So this IFE brochure is a complete instructions to conduct the test, test principle and how the test procedure is done. You get the complete details to complete the test. You can see this here. The complete procedures. The complete procedure to conduct the test. You should, I think the basic idea is like you should have the G6PD machine. This goes with the machine's mission. So you should have the G6PD machine on the standard. Do that. Then in further, if you go inside, you can see there is 25 pieces of easy tube 10 ml. You can see 25 pieces here. Here it is. See this here. Back. So we keep this here. This is standard easy tube 10 ml, and then we got one more pack. So there are totally 50 easy tube 10 ml, and there is one extraction buffer. Let's see the extraction buffer. There is a 25 pieces. This is nicely packed. You can see this here. This extraction buffer, and then you get 25 test cartridges here. You can come through for you. is standard G6PD test device. And the back side. Manufacturing date, lot number, and expiry date as well. This is how the total test kits looks like. Just quickly to summarize here, today we are seeing the unboxing of SDBiosensor standard G6PD test kit in a 25 test kit pack. You get one IFE brochure and 50 pieces of easy tube 10 ml and 25 test cartridges and 25 pieces of extraction buffer. This is how the total kits look like. You can see there's 25 cartridges. This is how the total test kits looks like. Thank you.